ideas. Every idea has been discussed in some academic conference 20 years ago. So nothing is new, right? But now it works. It's quite a big difference. So when you look at normal code in an IDE, right, you see mostly text and a bunch of tree views, outline view and stuff like that. And when you edit your program, what you do is you edit the concrete syntax. You change characters in your buffer. And then there is a parser, which builds an abstract syntax tree, right? And then based on that tree, you have all kinds of type checks and generators and all the back-end infrastructures of languages and IDEs is based on the AST. But the important thing is that you see the concrete syntax if you look at your program, but you also modify the concrete syntax. Very important. A projectional editor works differently. You still have a concrete syntax which you see, but whenever you change something in the program, this change goes directly to the AST. And I'll show, right? But the point is, there is no arrow going from here to here. There's no parser. And consequently, the concrete syntax, the notation you use, doesn't have to be parsable. There doesn't have to be a way to build the AST. And that's very interesting for two reasons. First, you can use notations that aren't parsable. Like, for example, text is parsable mostly, but tables. How do you parse tables? You don't, right? How do you parse mathematical formulas? Yes, I've read the papers. Somebody did it, but you don't. With Antler or Xtext or whatever you choose, it doesn't work. Graphical, of course, is a totally different world, right? You have graphical box drawing tools with lines between them, UML, whatever you like, but that's a totally different world from the text world. And that leads to a lot of problems. Now, a projectional language workbench can use